Hello, hi friends, welcome to sushmafeedfantasy. Today I'm preparing berries banana smoothie. I got one banana, strawberries, one passion fruit and small cup of blueberries. Cut into small pieces strawberries. This is passion fruit. This is really so yummy. It's good for health. I'm adding only one passion fruit. So everything is ready. So I'm taking 1 cup oats, blueberries, passion fruit, 1 cup strawberries, banana, 1 tablespoon sugar, chia seeds, 1.5 tablespoon, 1 spoon honey. Blend it nicely. Add 1 cup milk. I'm taking almond milk. That's all. Smoothie is ready. You can garnish with fruits. If you are new in my channel, do subscribe my channel and please like, share, comment and enjoy my video. See you in next video. Until then, bye.